respected authorities. My name is Adarsh Singh Thakur, and the topic of my project is Design of Hot Air Producer for Drying of Agriculture Crops under the supervision of Dr. Ravi Shankar V. Chaudhary, HOD Mechanical Department. My group members are Abhinav Kumar Rai, Basant Kumar, and Ishwar Kumar. So, the basic introduction of our project is it is purely based on solar energy. As we know, solar power from the sun is the abundant energy which is available on Earth's surface and can be used for millions and trillions of years. We know solar energy has been looked upon a serious source of energy in recent years. In India, out of 365 days, 300 sunny days are observed, which we can utilize for as much as of use. So, to turn on the face of the world. It is the simplest and the most efficient way to utilize solar energy as the fuel, and it is easy to convert it in thermal energy for heating applications. The most basic component of solar energy is the system required for conversion of solar energy into thermal energy are called solar collectors. So the basic objective of our project is to produce a hot air for domestic purpose, agriculture purpose, industrial purpose, which can be used for crop drying such as grain, fruit, vegetable, meat, etc. and to make a pollution-free system to make a world a green. Now, experimental setup. As this setup shown, we have a tree-like structure. Main component is our duct, through which 24 tin boxes are connected, coated black, to the pipe, which is connected sealed to the sealant, so that there should be no loss of air. We have all the reflectors around. We use solar panel for the working of our suction fan, and we have an insulated chamber. So the basic principle on which our model works is the black body radiation, and sun is the main source of our project. So the working of air heating is done by absorbing heat from sun and trapped in the duct. As we have seen in our previous setup, it is fully coated black, so it can absorb more as much as heat it can absorb. So it is a flow diagram which depicts that how our system works. So we have a hot air generator tree, which is mainly we known as duct, connected with 2410 webs and pipe. So we project all the sun rays on our tree, which collect the air from the tin boxes, which have a small hole, so that the exchange of air can done through the surrounding to the system. So as we know, the property of air, as the atmospheric air enters the duct, it start heating by the means of black body radiation. So while it heat, it become less dense and start moving upward. With the help of suction fan, we suck the air to our delivery chamber from where it can deliver it to anywhere we want to deliver. With the help of reflector, we can increase the efficiency of our project as the result analysis shows that without and with reflector, how can we increase the result efficiency? So when we taken the result and observations, so we have observed that when the atmospheric temperature is of 21 degrees Celsius, so what we get the result when we take a result without reflector, we get the result of 42 degrees Celsius at the temperature. It is a huge blow. And with the reflector 51, which is again a huge blow, continuously when we taken the reading on the fourth day, it is 29 degrees Celsius atmosphere temperature, and we get the outlet temperature 63.4 degree without reflector, and with reflector 69.3 degree. As this graphical representation depicts the high increase in the result and efficiency of this project with the help of reflectors and without reflectors. So I can conclude that our project will make a huge blow in the industry toward the green world, and it can also give us the safe atmospheric behavior. So the conclusion part is that our hot air generator is purely based on solar energy, and it is a one-time capital investment with low cost, durable, and low maintenance cost. It is a pollution-free system totally. Since it is based on renewable energy, it is a nature friendly. It is a one-time investment with minimum running expenses, and it can be used for industrial use, dairy use, farming use, and so on. It can make a huge difference in creating our world as green. Thank you.